mga ka-J-Vlog, welcome ulit sa ating another video. So for today's content, dito ulit tayo sa Linyang Telecom. Price update naman tayo sa kanilang 13 series. So Linyang Telecom is located sa 3rd floor V-Mall, San Juan City. If you're going to use escalator or elevator, lagi po sila nasa gitna lang po sila, dire-diretso lang kayo. So every unit na ipapurchase nyo, of course, sa Linyang Telecom, may kasama na yung mga ka-J-Vlog na gift box, 2 silicone cases, and also yung on-the-spot raffle. So, yung on-the-spot raffle nila, may kasama na yung cash, AirPods, smartwatch, tsaka you also have a chance to win Android phone. So, mostly na makikita nyo dito, mga ka-J-Vlog is si Boss Eli, si Belen, yun yung mga staff dito sa Linyang Telecom. But sa CMB Gadget, ang makikita nyo doon, si Boss Mayet, si Alma, si James, si Ate Mary Rose, and also si Kuya Con. Yun yung mostly stuff na makikita nyo. And by the way, sa CMB, they are actually located sa 2nd floor, Changi. Hanapin niyo lang XA07. If ever man na nakakalimutan yung stall number, tanayin niyo lang kung nasan yung pwesto ni Boss Mayet. Ayan, ituturo naman na kayo ng mga yan. So again, price update tayo ng 13 series. So yeah, we have 3 variants when it comes sa 13 and natin. We have 128GB, 256GB, and also yung 512. When it comes sa iPhone 13, they actually have 4 colors in here, blue, red, black, and also yung white. So ito yung available na colors nila sa Linyang Telecom. So iPhone 13, 128GB, that is 22,000. The 256GB naman is 23,500. And yung 512GB nila is 26,500. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, may discount pa po yan. Basta subscriber o followers kayo sa Linyang Telecom. So, marami tayong choices dito when it comes naman sa battery health. We have 85%, 82, 81, 83, 85 yung battery health na available. You don't have to worry if by any chance na yung battery health na nakita nyo is mababa or nabababaan kayo. That is still fine kasi all working goods naman po yung unit nila. Though, if you're looking for a higher battery health just as an assistance sa stock nila, pwede po nilang kayong hanapan ng stocks sa baba, which is a CMB Gadget. So, next is we have here 13 Pro. So, sa 13 Pro, we have 2 colors. Shera Blue and Black. Ayan. So, sa 13 Pro naman natin, meron tayong 128GB and also yung 256GB. So, yung 13 Pro na 128GB, that is 28,000. And then yung 256GB, that is 29,500. Sa battery health, pinakamataas na nakikita ko sa 13 Pro nila is 92%. Ayan. So, ito yung available nilang 13 Pro. Marami silang color when it comes sa Shera Blue. Ayan. So, marami silang Shera Blue. So, limited lang yung color na available sa 13 Pro. So, next naman is yung Pro Max nila. 13 Pro Max. So, sa 13 Pro Max, we have 4 colors. Shera Blue, Alpine Green, Gold, and also yung Black. Ayan. So, ito yung available nilang color dito sa Linyang Telecom sa 13 Pro Max. So, sa 13 Pro Max nila na 128GB, that is 30,500. And then, the 256GB, that is 33,500. Again, mga ka-J-Vlog, make sure na naka-follow or naka-subscribe kayo sa channel natin para pag magpo-purchase kayo sa Linyang Telecom, meron kayong discount sa item. When it comes naman sa warranty, meron silang 7 days replacement warranty, 3-month service warranty. So, 7 days replacement warranty, make sure na hindi magkaka-problem sa unit, like damage sa LCD, water damage, or software damage, something like that, for it to be covered sa 7 days replacement nila. But, if hindi na kayo na-cover the 7 days replacement, you don't have to worry kasi cover pa rin naman kayo sa 3 months service warranty nila. Aside from that, mga ka-J-Vlog, when it comes naman sa payment method, dito sa KNL Telecom, they have cash, GCash, bank transfer, cards, and repair cards. And good thing about them is nagpapautang po sila. Yes, you heard it right, nagpapautang po sila using installment through your credit cards and GKids. Sa credit card, they actually have a specific interest, depende po yan sa banko nyo. So, pwede kayo mag-drop ng message sa kanya sa page nila para malaman nyo kung magkano yung interest sa bangko na meron kayo. Sa delivery naman po, nagde-deliver po sila nationwide through LBC, of course. Delivery fee will be shoulder ng buyer. Same with within Metro Manila. So, Metro Manila po, same lang yan. Meron din sila specific down payment when it comes sa cash on delivery nila. 3 to 5,000 yung minimum nung amount ng down payment nila. Aside from that, that is all the information that I can share with you guys. Again, if you have a question, drop them a message sa page nila, CMB Gadget yung may blue check, and masasagot naman yung inquiries niya about them. Nasa description natin yan yung link ng kanilang page. So again, that is just a quick update when it comes sa ating 13 series. Once again, my name is Maring Ana. Don't forget to follow me on my TikTok account, astories.ugc. Thank you so much, and